The iconic Chevrolet Corvette Stingray has been given a European twist by German tuner GeigerCars in celebration of their 45th anniversary. This special edition C8 Corvette, enhanced to deliver 522 horsepower and 481 lb-ft of torque, showcases an array of performance and aesthetic upgrades that blend American muscle with European refinement. GeigerCars focused on enhancing the Corvette's powertrain, starting with the 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine. By adding a new intake manifold, revised throttle body, and modified engine software, the engine now produces an impressive 522 horsepower, up from the stock 495 horsepower. The addition of the Z51 Corvette's performance exhaust system further boosts the car's power and provides an exhilarating exhaust note. To complement the power increase, GeigerCars has upgraded the braking system. The car now features 6-piston calipers at the front with 14.8-inch rotors and 13.9-inch rotors at the rear, all connected by braided brake lines for improved response and durability. For better handling and ride comfort, KWV5 Clubsport coilovers have been installed, providing adjustable settings for various driving conditions. Visually, the GeigerCars Corvette Stingray is striking. The car is equipped with a set of OZ Ultralegera HLT wheels finished in a captivating bronze hue, contrasting beautifully with the dark green paint job of the show car. The exterior is further accentuated by a carbon fiber front splitter, rear lip spoiler, and air ducts, giving the Corvette a more aggressive and aerodynamic appearance. Inside, the Corvette has been transformed with a touch of luxury. The seats are retrimmed in light beige leather, offering a sophisticated look that contrasts with the black upholstery and light beige stitching found throughout the cabin. This combination of colors and materials elevates the interior ambience, making the driving experience more enjoyable and comfortable. GeigerCars has announced that this special edition Corvette Stingray will be a limited production model. Although the exact number of units to be produced has not been disclosed, each car will be priced starting at €149,900, approximately $162,000, in the German market. This exclusivity, combined with the significant performance and aesthetic enhancements, positions the GeigerCars Corvette as a highly desirable option for enthusiasts seeking a unique blend of American performance and European style. GeigerCars has successfully infused the Chevrolet Corvette Stingray with European flair, creating a limited edition model that stands out in both performance and appearance. With its enhanced power, improved handling, and luxurious interior, this special edition Corvette offers a unique driving experience that appeals to both American muscle car aficionados and European automotive enthusiasts. The GeigerCars Corvette Stingray is a testament to the tuner's expertise and creativity, making it a noteworthy addition to the legacy of this iconic sports car.